Imagine a sword so sharp, it could slice a silk scarf floating in the air. A blade so strong, it could cut through armor, yet bend like a spring, and never break. This is not fantasy. This is not myth. This is the legend of Damascus steel, the most mysterious weapon technology ever created, a secret so advanced that even modern science struggles to fully understand it. And the most chilling part, humanity once knew how to make it, and then completely forgot. In the medieval world, the city of Damascus became famous for weapons unlike anything ever seen. Warriors traveled across deserts and continents just to own one of these legendary blades. Their surfaces shimmered with flowing patterns, like ripples in water, frozen inside solid steel. But those patterns were not decoration. They were evidence of something extraordinary happening deep within the metal itself. Travelers, soldiers, and scholars described feats that seemed impossible. Damascus swords slicing through other blades, cutting armor with shocking ease, holding a razor edge longer than any weapon known. Some accounts even claim these blades could cut a falling silk scarf in mid-air, so cleanly that the fabric continued drifting as if untouched. Whether every story was true or not, one thing was undeniable. These were the finest blades on earth. Yet the greatest surprise is this: they were not truly born in Damascus. The steel itself came from far away. From India, a rare material known as wood steel, produced in small sealed crucibles. Iron and carbon were melted together slowly, under carefully controlled heat. The process created a metal with an internal structure unlike anything else in the world. When master swordsmiths in Damascus forged this material, they unlocked its full potential. They shaped it, tempered it, and transformed it into blades of unmatched strength and beauty. But they left behind no written instructions, no manuals, no formulas. The knowledge lived only in the hands of the craftsmen, passed from master to apprentice, generation after generation, until one day that chain was broken. Centuries later, scientists began studying surviving Damascus blades, hoping to understand what made them so extraordinary. What they discovered shocked the modern world. Inside the steel were microscopic structures resembling carbon, nanotubes incredibly strong, molecular formations used today in advanced nanotechnology. These structures exist at a scale so small they are invisible without powerful microscopes, and yet medieval blacksmiths had somehow created them hundreds of years before modern science even knew they existed. They had no microscopes, no chemistry labs, no modern physics. So how did they do it? Was it an accident of the forging process? A perfect combination of heat, impurities, and technique that no one realized they were creating? Or did these ancient craftsmen possess knowledge that was never fully recorded? Knowledge that vanished with them? No one knows. Then sometime in the 18th century, something strange happened. The production of true Damascus steel simply stopped. Not gradually, not slowly fading over time. It ended suddenly. The trade routes that supplied wood steel collapsed. Empires that protected and funded master craftsmen fell into decline. Skilled artisans died without passing on their secrets. Workshops went cold, forges went dark. And just like that, the greatest sword-making technology in human history vanished forever. Today, many blades are called Damascus steel, but they are not the same. Modern versions are created by layering and folding different metals to imitate the famous flowing patterns. They look similar, but their internal structure is different. Their performance is different. They are visual echoes, not true descendants. For decades, scientists and metallurgists have tried to recreate authentic wood's Damascus steel. Some experiments have come close. Some have produced blades with similar properties, but no one has perfectly reproduced the original process exactly as it once existed. The complete knowledge remains lost. So what really happened? Did ancient craftsmen accidentally discover a metallurgical miracle, one that modern science still struggles to replicate? Or did they possess an understanding of materials far ahead of their time? Knowledge that history quietly erased? Was this forgotten science, or a secret humanity was never meant to keep? Because one fact cannot be denied. We had the knowledge once, and we lost it. History is filled with lost cities, lost languages, and vanished civilizations. But few things are as haunting as lost knowledge. The realization that humans once achieved something extraordinary and then allowed it to disappear. Somewhere in the past, human hands forged steel, stronger and more mysterious than anything we can easily reproduce today. A secret buried not in ruins, not in temples, but locked inside metal itself. And if humanity once mastered a technology it cannot fully recreate now, what else have we forgotten? Subscribe and explore the mysteries history never fully explained.